caught your gaze, it felt like fate, a sign so divine. Words unspoken in the air, in every glance we share. I felt something rare, connection beyond compare. I loved you before I kissed you, in the silence, in the crowd, in the moments unspoken, when my heart was loud. Before our lips met under that starlit hue, I loved you in ways we never knew. With every laugh, with every touch before the embrace, in every subtle trace, I found my solace. In your eyes, my fifth place. I loved you before I kissed you, in whispers, in the raw, in the quiet understanding. It was you I adored before we stepped into the dance under the moon's review. My heart was yours in ways so true. And when our lips finally met, we were standing in the hallway, understanding. There was me and we stepped into the dance under the moon's review. Our heart was yours in ways so true. And when we finally met, our heart was yours in ways so true. And when I can beyond compare. I loved you before I kissed you, in the silence, in the crowd, in the moments unspoken, when my heart was loud. Before our lips met under that starlit hue, I loved you in ways words never knew. I was you in ways words never knew. With every laugh, every sigh, every shade.